Hi, everybody, and welcome to the spring semester of 2023. I wanted to talk to you for a little bit about our applications development class. And so I wanted to make this really short video to sort of clear up any problems you might have. You guys are all old pros at navigating Moodle and online learning and distance education and asynchronous everything. So I don't expect you to have any trouble, but I'm here as a resource if you need me in any capacity. So the first thing I want to do is to take a look at our Moodle page so that you'll see how we're going about it. The first item that we have posted here is the, be nice if I show you the screen. The first item that I have posted here is our course syllabus and then a welcoming note. Now, this course is very unstructured compared to some of the courses that you've had in the past. So I'm relying on your willingness to work with me when things are not really clear. But taking a look here at the course syllabus, the first thing that you see is that my office hours are to be announced. And if you email me for times, we can meet face-to-face or Zoom. The other thing I want to show you is that whenever you email me, I'll answer you back. And underneath my signature block, there's a program called Schedule a Meeting with Me. It's a Calendly program. So if you click on that at any time, it will put an appointment for you and me directly into my schedule and give us a Zoom link, and we'll be good to go. So I hope you'll use that at whenever that is convenient for you. So I've mailed everybody in this class a microbit, a USB cable, a battery pack, and 2 batteries. And that's the tool that we're going to be using to write our applications this semester. So as practicing professional teachers, I would like to give you as much latitude as possible to do the things that you would like to do with your students, because the point of applications development is using those microbits we're going to learn some basic programming. You program them with Python, you use a USB cable to interface between your computer and the microbit. But the main purpose of this is to program things that your students are going to be interested in doing. So I'm going to give you a bunch of resources. I'm going to give you some introductory material so that you're going to be very comfortable with using the microbit. And then I'm going to give you some resources, but I want you to look at things that are really interesting to you in order to do the things for your class and for your level of the level your students are at, so that we can make it as customizable as possible. And then, of course, your assessment will be based on videos of you actually doing your microbit stuff and lesson plans. Then we'll share the lesson plans with each other, and then you'll kind of have a database of different things that you can do with your classes. Okay, so a lot of the material that I am going to be talking about will come out of this book, Microbit for Mad Scientists. You do not have to purchase this book. You can borrow it from the Northwest College Library, or you can ask me for excerpts and I'll send you parts of it. But you don't even need this book. You can go online and there's a whole bunch of different websites for programming microbits. But in any case, that is available to you. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to do 2 applications in here. The first one we're going to finish between now and March 10th, which is the day before spring break. And the schedule basically is that by the 20th, which is just Friday, I want you to watch the introductory videos, get back to me if you have any trouble, access online resources, and then that would be by the following week, by the 27th. And then choose a project or make up a project that you can do in your classroom, work on your project, and then post the project and give student feedback. Now, the one thing I just noticed, all of these due dates are Fridays, and since you are working professionals, it would probably be better to give you the weekend. So I'll change these dates so that the due dates are actually on a Monday. So this will be the 23rd and so forth. So I'll change these due dates. The other part I want you to know is that I am not firm on due dates at all. This is just to get the project done. I'm really, I guess I would say firm on getting the project done by the first project done by the 10th, which is a Friday, which has to stay a Friday because that's the day before spring break. But if you're late by a few days, it's fine. You're still going to get full credit for your work. Okay, so to get started, watch these videos and then post your idea, and then post your lesson plan, and then post your project, which is going to be a video. Here's a sample lesson plan, and another one to kind of get you started. So this is all of the material that will take us up to spring break. I'm not ditching out. I will still be available. And I'll come back in every now and then and do another video, especially if anybody has questions. I'll post material that you want, that you request me to post, and I'll discuss and guide you in any way. But basically, here's the form, and I think you're going to do wonderful jobs with everything. So just let me know what I can do to help, and we'll move forward from there. All right, so I will email this short video to you, and then I'll also post it on our Moodle page. And if you have any questions, please let me know, and let's have a great time with those microbits. Oh, most important thing, you should have received your microbits by now. If you haven't received it, please email me right away, because you can't program microbits if you don't have a microbit. All right, have a great day, and we'll talk to you real soon.